traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the daily, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily, we had this big impulsive move down with a nice break of structure. So I do think this is likely the end of a wave C. And if you've seen my full top-down analysis, you know that I'm still very bullish on the higher time frames. So that means that I think this is pretty likely to be maybe even a wave 1, and this is actually like a wave A of 2. This move up is like a wave B of 2, and then eventually it probably will go down for a wave C, I think likely to one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually does continue up. Probably like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move down is kind of three ways, so you do often get three waves of A and three waves of B. So if this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, then you would expect it to go to a Fibonacci level. The 78 and 88% are the last two areas where it potentially could turn for a wave B. Then likely either make 5 waves down for a wave C or possibly 3 waves down for a 3-3-3 pattern, which would be a WXY. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. Now I would definitely be looking for longs right now if you traded the 1 hour time frame and below. And the fact that the trend is up on the monthly and weekly tells me that there's always a chance that this thing just keeps on going and going and going. And as long as you don't get that Fibonacci bounce and you don't get that engulfing move with a break of structure, you probably would continue to look for longs. If you do get that Fibonacci bounce, that double top engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, preferably with a break of structure, then that's what would tell me that it really is a wave B. That's what would cause me to stop looking for longs. And at that point, I would start looking for shorts for the continuation of this move down for a wave C. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, probably an A, B, C of wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.